In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to University of Southern California 2026. To begin, go to USC's undergraduate admission page called How to Apply. This is the best starting point because it gives you the official application route and the most current requirements. For 2026, USC accepts undergraduate applications through the Common Application, so that's the platform you'll use to complete and submit everything. The first thing you'll want to do is choose your application pathway. USC offers different plans, and your deadline depends on which one you select. Early decision is for students who are ready to make a binding commitment to attend USC if admitted, and that application is due by November 1st. Keep in mind that early decision is not available for certain performing arts programs, including dance, music, and dramatic arts. Early action has an earlier application deadline of October 15th, with credentials due by November 1st. Regular decision is the standard option, with the application due by December 1st and supporting credentials due by January 15th. Before you move forward, make sure you fully understand which timeline fits your goals, because missing a deadline can affect your application. Next, submit your application through the Common Application. You'll need to create an account or login. If you already have one, then add the University of Southern California to your college list. From there, fill in your basic personal and academic information, choose your intended major, and complete the application fee section. If you qualify for a fee waiver, you can request one during this process. Take your time here and review everything carefully so your information is accurate before submitting. After that, complete the USC-specific requirements. In addition to the main common application sections, USC asks for supplemental writing questions. Some schools or majors may also require additional short answer responses. For example, certain programs such as engineering may include questions tailored to your academic interests. This part is important because it helps USC understand your fit for the university and for your chosen program, so make sure your responses are thoughtful and aligned with your goals. Finally, send your supporting credentials. USC requires official high school transcripts, along with transcripts for any college coursework you may have completed. You'll also typically need a counselor or teacher evaluations submitted through the Common Application. If you decide to include standardized test scores, remember that USC is test optional, but if you do submit scores, they must be sent as official reports directly from the testing agency. The same rule applies to English proficiency exams, such as TOEFL or IELTS. Once all of that is done, double check that every required piece has been submitted on time. That's the full USC application process for 26. For